Hi there. In this guide, we will go over the topic of importing Excel files as a way to create or edit multiple products at the same time. We will use an example Excel file that updates two items based on SKU in this demo. It will update the product line field as well as retail price and cost. We will need to access the product list module first. To do that, please take the following steps. Open the left navigation menu and press the inventory option. Click on the product list menu item. At first, we will show you how to use the Excel import feature to create two completely new products. To do that, press the round action button in the top left. Then we will select the Import from CSV button rather than the Create Default Product button. In the Review Import dialog, we will need to choose the vendor and how our item names will be formatted. We will also need to upload the CSV file with our item's details inside. Once the file is uploaded, we need to make sure that information fields detected are mapped correctly to the Flawless POS fields. Note that your CSV file needs to have required fields to successfully create the product. Otherwise, there will be a lot of missing information. In our example, the SKU field is matched automatically. This means that the new items will be created with the SKUs in the Excel file. We will manually match the product line, retail price, and cost to the needed fields. Once you are happy with your selection, press OK button. Note that the preliminary mapping is shown at the bottom of the Review Import dialog. You can use it to make sure that every imported piece of information is correct. To finish creating products, press the Import Products button. Note that our two newly created products appear on top with all the information we imported from Excel file. Moving on, we will cover how to use the Import Excel to update your current products. The process is almost exactly the same, except we will want to have SKUs to be the point of what item to update. In this example, we will change our initial file to have product lines to be named Test 2. We will not be changing SKUs as those will signal the system which products to update. Once we update our Excel file, repeat the process of the import. Press the round action button and select the Import Excel option. Follow along as we go through the parts that didn't change from the creating product process. Note that in the Open Map the Product Files dialog, we will map the SKU and product line columns. SKUs will be to identify our products, and product line will be what's changing. Once happy with your selection, press OK button. Note that at the bottom, our mapping will be updated to show products to have Test 2 and product line. To finish updating the products, press the Import Products button. Note that product line information of both items were updated. That's it for using the Import Excel function in the Product List module. Thanks for watching.